Top 7 Best Dashcam for Truckers in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we have got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. Wheel Witness HD Pro. The Wheel Witness HD Pro is a high-quality truck dash cam that offers excellent recording quality, allowing for crisp capturing of license plates and other important details. The picture quality is also quite good at night. The only downside is that the maximum SD card storage size is significantly lower than other options. Number 6. Ultra Dash 1008 HD Dashcam. A good value for money dash cam when you consider the advanced and original features that it comes from, such as a magnetic charging mount that reduces the chances of the charging plug from snapping. This camera is designed to be easy to use and also be out of the way, with the LCD display being just 2 inches in size, giving you all the space that you need to see what is in front of you when driving. It is a mini dashboard camera. Furthermore, this dashboard camera comes with its own specially made suction mount that allows you to very easily turn the camera 360 degrees in all directions, which can be a useful feature. It is important to note that this HD dash cam currently accepts micro SD cards as a form of storage. However, you can also use Wi-Fi and USB cables to transfer footage from this device. Number 5. Bankov Upgraded Dashcam. This dashcam is an affordable dashboard cam that is created to be a powerful camera with excellent night vision. This camera does not come with a battery, but instead is to be plugged into the car with the battery charged when the vehicle's engine is running. The camera is impressive as it comes with a touch screen, even though it is so cheap. Using the interface, you can play back all recorded footage with no mobile app currently being available for this dashboard camera. You can also view the recorded footage by inserting the SD card into a computer. A lot of customization options are available with this camera, with the ability to remove the sound from your video recordings, which is a good feature if you are trying to save space. Number 4. Volvo Dual Front and Rear Dash Camera. At the higher price range, this camera comes with some of the most technologically advanced features from all the products on this list. A crystal clear simultaneous recording is guaranteed when using this dash cam. The camera is also able to be connected to Wi-Fi, allowing you to upload it to your computer as well as YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and all other kinds of social media. An app is also provided by Volvo that allows you to watch footage recorded from the camera live, as well as control a limited amount of features from the camera. 4 lights are also installed with this camera that ensure a clear view whenever filming with this camera. Number 3. Chorda Dual Dashcam. A high-quality camera that is priced at a very competitive price. It comes with number plate reading technology. The Chorda Dual Dashcam is, as its name states, perfect as both a rear and front dash camera, with the dashboard camera being great for parking assistance thanks to its 170-degree view. Compatible with regular SD cards as well as micro SD cards. You can also edit the quality of the footage from HD to regular if you are trying to be more memory storage efficient. Other settings you can play around with in order to save space include the nighttime and parking modes. Around the lens of this dashboard camera, there are lights that allow your camera to capture things in the dark much more easily and effectively. Number 2. Togard Full HD Car Camera. A small but sturdy camera that is built to be easy to install in your car, with the camera created to automatically charge and start once your car's engine is turned on. It is also very small, so you will not be obstructed by a massive camera at the front of your car. Unfortunately, the LCD screen of this camera can only be used for viewing the footage and not controlling the cameras. Instead, you have to use the buttons at the bottom of the camera to optimize the various modes and functions. This camera is not very technologically advanced, however, as mentioned above, is very sturdy, so you should not be too worried about it breaking. What is also great about this camera is that it comes with the free SD cards, unlike the majority of dashboard cameras on this list. Number 1. Campark Dashboard Camera. This dashboard camera comes with its very own mobile app that allows you to view live footage from the dash cam from remote locations using Wi-Fi. However, the camera currently cannot be controlled from the mobile app itself, and it is also known to be laggy when streaming high-quality 1008 footage. It is important to note that this camera has a battery with a very short lifetime, which the creators of this dash cam says is for health and safety reasons to prevent fires from occurring. So if you are planning to use this dash cam, then you need to keep in mind that you will need to keep constantly charging it. Keeping it plugged in all the time is not an option, as that will end up destroying the battery itself. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best dashcam for truckers in 2022. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.